So we've been talking about printed bottoms, and I wanted to offer you, I've got a great price on some printed fabrics. These are all Italian and they're really beautiful, like linen, like $15.99. Everything today and tomorrow is going to be $15.99. So this is a great chance. This first is a linen. It's 100% linen and it's a stripe. As you can see, it's a woven, but it's a black and a milk and then a brown. It's good looking. It's a really nice looking, made a great pair of pants, great little jacket if you wanted to do both with, just a great fabric. And then these next four are going to be all viscose. You can see this is a black background. It's got a little milk floret on there. Just great. And then with a little black sweater or a little black top. This also, I put the blacks together. So these would all be just wonderful with just a little black sweater. Isn't that cute? I love the black and the red. Again, 100% viscose. I chose viscose because it has great drape. You can see that just has really great drape. Very slimming. And then I decided to put some blues in here. So this is really pretty little blue. It's got little navy, light blue, and the navy's kind of sparkled all throughout. I want to say it's a floral, but I can't really say it's a floral because it's certainly not got a flower on it, but kind of resembles that. And this is our big one. Boy, this is really popular right now, is polka dots. Polka dots for spring are going to be really big. This is a navy background. It's a very dark navy. It's got a yellow little polka dot all over it. It's 100% viscose, great drape. Again, $15.99, you guys. These are just amazing prices. Now this is a cotton, 100% cotton. It's both sides are usable, and it's a stretch woven. So it's a little bit different, but still just so classic. And you know, pants, think back in the 50s, all of that stuff is back again, except bigger. All right. Anyway, so $15.99 today and tomorrow. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.